Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So, today's product is available directly from their website, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see all the lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great wine gift set for either yourself or that loved one that enjoys a wonderful bottle of wine or even champagne. So this is a 7-in-1 box set from a company called Vino, and it comes in this really nice wood-looking kind of red box here. It has some rubber feet on it that keeps it from sliding around, and it has a nice little latch. So the presentation is perfect for giving this as a gift. Once you open it up, you are going to see everything is nicely presented in the box. So let's go over all the parts and pieces and what they are used for. So first up, you are going to get the wine opener itself. So it has a nice little rubber grip here, a handle that will clamp around the bottle, and then you will simply pull this up, straight up, and clamp it around the bottle, and then push down, and it will go into the cork, and then pull back up. I personally love these lever style, basically wine openers, because they're super easy to use. They don't take a lot of force, and they're way better than a lot of the power ones out there, because the problem with the power ones is you always have to have them fully charged. If not, then they start to get weak and they may not fully pull out the cork and things like that. But this style really gets a good grip, and yeah, I really like these kind of bottle openers. And then they include this little plastic piece so you don't accidentally poke yourself there. But in addition to that, they are going to include two more of those little wine opening screw tops in case you break yours or it just gets dull. You can swap these out, and they include two more of those. So you have 3 in total. Then additionally, they have a nice little foil cutter here. So you just put this around the top and then twist in a circle to easily remove that foil. They will include a nice stainless steel, modern looking wine stopper. Obviously, it also has a nice 4 or 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little rubber layers here. So that's going to make sure you get a nice seal on the bottle. And because of this tapered edge here, it should fit multiple bottle size openings. So have a nice little stopper there. Now, like I said earlier, this isn't just for people that love wine. If you are a champagne drinker, they do include a champagne stop. So this is really nice. You just open this up, put it over the hole, and then squeeze it nice and tight. And that will basically seal your champagne bottle in case you can't finish it. Because obviously with champagne bottles, there's no way you're getting that cork back in the bottle. And then finally, the last piece here is it includes a nice aerator. So how this works is, once again, it has a little rubber piece here, and there is 2 little rings here. So that way you have a nice tight seal. You are going to just place this in the bottle, and then you'll be able to pour, and it's going to aerate the wine as it pours into your glass, releasing those aromas and flavors. But overall, this is a great little set here. So if you are looking to upgrade your wine open collection, this is totally worth checking out. Or if you're just struggling for a gift this year, maybe this is a perfect solution for that loved one or friend of yours. You can give them a very nice wine kit, and it comes in this really nice box here. That is basically the ins and the outs. If there was something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, if you thought this video was helpful and useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go, or even leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. And until the next video, You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.